On this video today, I'm going to show you step by step on how you can make money on Pinterest promoting Clickbank products. This method is very simple, and the best part is that you can use this method to make money from home wherever you are in the world. So make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I'll show you everything that you need to know about this method. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. Now let's get into the details. The first step is that you have to create a Clickbank account. Once you create your accounts and log in, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, Marketplace, so that you can find products to promote. Once you click on the Marketplace, you're going to see a page like this. As you can see right here, these are categories of digital products that you can promote. You can see a lot of them. You can see home and garden, cooking, food and wine, green products, business, investing. You can see health and fitness, and then many more. So if you click right here, you can see a lot of different categories of digital products that you can promote to make money from home. You can see a whole lot of them. So now what we are going to be doing is that we are going to be promoting a product under the health and fitness. So just come right here, click on health and fitness. Once you click on health and fitness, you are going to see a page like this. You can see this product is a health product that you can promote to make money from home. The commission rate is $147.05. You can see it right here. You can see the gravity score is very high. So this product, if you promote it, you can easily get a sale. The next product is eye carrier juice. The gravity score is also high, and you can see the commission rate right here, $135.04. There are many other products that you can promote under the health and fitness category. You can see many of them. You can see a whole lot of them. So what you have to do is that you have to be checking the gravity score. If the gravity score is below 30, you don't have to promote those products, because many affiliates are not getting sales promoting the product. So you have to promote products that have higher gravity so that you can be making money from home. In this video, what we are going to be doing is that we are going to be promoting the eye carrier juice. So you can see it right here, eye carrier juice. So what we have to do is that we have to look at the landing page of the product so that we can get some basic information about it. So just click on the name of the product so that you can see the landing page. Once you click on it, you can see this is the landing page of the product. This is the exact page that your potential customers are going to see before they promote the product. You can see eye carrier lean belly juice. The product is about how to lose weight. It helps to burn stubborn fat. So when you scroll down, you can see a whole lot of different information about the product. So if you want to promote the product, what you have to do is that you have to take time and then read the information so that you can get some basic information about it before you begin to promote it. You can see a whole lot of different information about it. You can see the bonuses. When you scroll down, you can see testimonials. So it means people who bought this product are getting results. So you can use these testimonials to promote the product. You can see the product, they have it in different packages. The first package is the basic one. You can see 30-day supply. So if the customers decide to get a 30-day supply of the product, they are going to be paying $69 per bottle. If they decide to get 90-day supply, they are going to be paying $59 per bottle. If they decide to get 180-day supply, they are going to be paying $39 per bottle. So any of the package that your potential visitor choose, you are still going to be earning a commission anytime you get a sale. You can see the two packages is free shipping. So if your customers buy the product, they are going to enjoy free shipping. You can see it right here. So now once we get to know some basic information about the product, the next step is that you have to begin promoting it so that you can earn money from home. To promote the product, what you have to do is that you have to click right here. Once you click on promote, you are going to click right here, create hub link, so that you can get your affiliate link. Once you click on it, you can see this is your unique affiliate link. So you have to get people to click on this link and then buy the product so that you can be earning a commission anytime you get a sale. You must let the people buy the product through this link. So now what you have to do is that you have to get traffic to this link so that you can get people to purchase it. There are two types of traffic that you can drive to this link. We have the paid traffic and then the free traffic. Any of them that you want, you can use it to drive traffic to your link. In this case, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to show you how you can use Pinterest to drive free traffic to this link so that you can get people to buy it for you to earn a commission. The next step is that you are going to create a Pinterest account so that you can begin promoting your link on Pinterest. Pinterest is a visual search engine that you can use to promote your affiliate links. You can use it to promote your websites. You can use it to promote your YouTube video. So any link that you want, you can use Pinterest to promote it. You can see many people who are promoting weight loss products. You can see this pin right here. It is about how to eat healthy. You can see this is an exercise video. As I scroll, you can see many things that people are posting on Pinterest. You can see a whole lot of different things that people are posting right here. So now what we have to do is that we have to also create a pin so that we can post it on Pinterest to drive traffic to our affiliate link. So the next step is that you are going to come on Canva. Canva is a graphic design website that you can use to create your pins. You can use it to create any other designs that you want. In this case, we are creating a pin. So what you have to do is that you have to create your free accounts. Once you create your free accounts and log in, you are going to click right here, create a design. Once you click on create a design, you are going to see a page like this. So what you have to do is that you have to search for pin. Just search for pin. Once you search for pin, you are going to see something like this. You can see Pinterest pin, Pinterest pin. So you are going to select the larger one. So you can see 1080 by 1920. So select that. Once you select it, you are going to see something like this. Let me make it large. So let me just drag it this way. See, this is where you are going to design your pin. So the first step is that you are going to write some text right here. So you are going to come right here, click on text. Once you click on text, you are going to choose add a heading. Once you click on that, you can see it right here. So you are going to type any text that you want. The product is about how to lose weight. So you are going to type a title that is related to weight loss. So we can type something like how to lose weight using Icaria juice, something like this. You can just type something like this. Once you type your title, you can drag it and then place it right here. If you want to change the font of the text, you can do that. If you want to decrease it, you can do that. Anything that you want, you can change it. So you can make it bold, or you can do whatever that you want to do with it. So you can just decrease the font of the text, just decrease it. As you can see, that has been done. So once you decrease it, you are going to see something like this. The next step is that you are going to add an image right here. So we are going to come right here, just scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see right here photos. Click on it. Once you click on photos, you are going to search for a photo right here. So just type any photo that you want. You can type weight loss photo, you can type juice, or anything that you want. In this case, I'm going to type juice. So let me just type juice right here. Once you type it, just search it. Once you search, you can see different images of juice. You can see a whole lot of them. So any of the images that you want, you can select. But before you select an image, you have to check whether the image is free or not. So you can just scroll down and then check the free images so that you can use those images. You can see this image is free, this is premium, this is premium. You can just scroll down and then select the free ones. If you want, you can click right here, fruit juice. Just select any of the images that you want. In this case, I'm going to use this image right here. So just click on it. Once you click on it, you can see this is the image. You can see it right here. So you can just place the image right here and then drag it. You are going to make the image large. So just scroll down and then make everything large. Just make it large. As you can see, that has been done. You can see this is the image. You can see everything. So now what you have to do is that you have to also change the background of the text. To change the background of the text, you can scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see background. Click on it. Once you click on it, you can see different background colors that you can select. You can see a whole lot of them. If you want this one, you can select any of them that you want. You can just select it. In this case, I'm going to select this color right here. So once you have designed your pin, the next step is that you are going to download it so that you can promote it on Pinterest to get traffic to your affiliate link. To download it, you are going to click right here, share. Once you click on share, you are going to click on download. Once you click on download, you are going to leave it as PNG file. Once that is done, click on download. Once you click on download, you can see it is downloading. Within some few seconds, it will be downloaded. You can see it has finished downloading. Once you have downloaded your pin, the next step is that you are going to come back on Pinterest. Once you come back on Pinterest, you can see right here, create. You are going to click on it. Once you click on it, you are going to select create pin. Once you select create pin, you are going to see a page like this. What you have to do is that you have to click right here so that you can upload your image. Just click on it so that you can upload your pin. Once you select your pin, you can see it is uploading right here. You can see the pin is uploading, so you are going to wait for it to upload. You can see it right here. Once you have uploaded your pin, the next step is that you are going to begin uploading the details. The first thing that you need to do is that you have to type the title of your pin right here. You can see how to lose weight using Icaria juice. So you can type something like how to lose weight faster using Icaria juice, something like this. You can type this as your title. Once you type the title, the next step is that you are going to write a description about your pin and then add some keywords about how to lose weight so that your pin can be ranked on Pinterest. I have my description, so I'm going to paste it right here. As you can see, this is my description. So now once you have your description, the next step is that you are going to add the destination link. You can see add a destination link. So this is where you are going to paste your affiliate link. So you have to come back on Clickbank and then copy your affiliate link. Once you come back, just click right here, copy. Once you copy your affiliate link, you are going to search for tinyurl.com. Once you visit the website, you are going to see a page like this. Now what you have to do is that you have to paste your affiliate link right here so that you can shorten it. So just paste your affiliate link right here. Once you paste it, you are going to click right here, shorten URL. Once you click on it, you can see it has been shortened. Click right here, copy, so that you can copy your shortened URL. Once you've copied your shortened URL, what you have to do is that you have to come back on Pinterest and then paste your link right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once you paste your link, the next step is that you are going to publish your pin so that it can get rank on Pinterest. To publish your pin, you have to first of all choose a board. So you have to choose a board that is related to the pin that you are promoting. In this case, it's a weight loss pin. So you are going to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can find weight loss pins right here. You can see weight loss. Select that. Once you select your board, the next step is that you are going to click right here, publish, so that you can publish your pin on Pinterest. As you can see, it is publishing. You are going to wait for it so that it can be published. As you can see, the pin has been published. You can see you created a pin. The pin has been published. So now your pin is on Pinterest. People can find it and then click on your affiliate link so that they can buy the product for you to make money from home. So make sure you create a lot of pins and then post it on Pinterest so that you can drive a lot of traffic to your affiliate link for people to purchase the product for you to make money without investing anything. That is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.